Stop underestimating your coughs. Your germs are traveling first class. When you cough, germs can travel up to 6 feet. That's nearly the length of a sofa. These tiny droplets hang in the air and can land on surfaces, spreading illness faster than you can say achoo. Covering your mouth and washing your hands are simple ways to keep those germs grounded. So next time you feel a tickle in your throat, remember, your couch isn't just a piece of furniture, it's a germ-busting barrier. Stay healthy and keep those germs at bay. Don't miss out on mind-blowing science and health facts. Subscribe now and stay ahead.